Well, quite a lot. We've been able to recognize some of the flaws in the framework of cybercrime in Nigeria. We've been able to also see how to react to these flaws in ensuring that despite the fact that these flaws exist, we still do our jobs appropriately as we should. And we've also been able to realize that we could be part of a bigger body, which is policy formation. Yes, and even beyond, I've been able to get more than I bargained for. There are better approaches to investigation. The most powerful thing that sounded like a cliche is that the 21st century investigation is no longer gra-gra. It is based on building trust and leveraging on that trust to have mutual assistance. You're assisting the members of the public and they're assisting you in return. And I think that's a very pivotal point for the police, particularly myself henceforth. I hope this program continues and I hope you guys take it even much more bigger. I mean, it continues in a stipulated time, maybe 6 months, 3 months, where we have police officers gathering all over the country in different skills and on different topics that borders around investigation, not just around cybercrime.